distinguished guests, families, friends, worshipful brothers and brothers. According to the leading life and leadership coach, Rashid Ogunlaru, in life, when one has a choice to take one of two paths, to wait for some special day or to celebrate each special day. Today is truly a special day, and I am celebrating as I accept with humility the opportunity to serve and be entrusted with the care for the jewel of the master jewel of this lodge for the ensuing Masonic year. As I look back to my journey to the Oriental Chair, I pay tribute to all the past masters and brethren of Coside Lodge 762 who have been our strength. Thank you for making it possible to keep the lodge doors open. And I assure you that your labors for the craft will never be forgotten. I seek your counsel and promise to try my best to uphold the principle and custom of our ancient and excellent fraternity. I stand on your shoulder, my worshipful brothers. In return, I pledge to keep in view the best interests of this great brotherhood, and I will endeavor to do all that this high office requires. I am fully aware that I cannot do this all by myself. Thus, I am enjoining all of you, my brothers, to continue supporting our lodge. Make a difference each day and continue an enduring legacy for all Masons to become better men. I congratulate all the members of Coside Lodge, especially the newly installed officers, who will facilitate our facing a brighter future. What the future holds is not the hands of fate, nor in the hands of others, but in ours alone. What will be left to the next generations of leaders of Coside Lodge will largely depend on how we live and act as Masons today. Please allow me to extend my sincerest gratitude to our executive chef, Brother Avelino Estolero, and all the brothers who assisted him for preparing the food for this event. Sister Lucy Gonzalez for preparing our hors d'oeuvres. Very beautiful presentation, Sister Lucy. Our beloved Coside ladies for the beautiful arrangements of the dining hall. Thank you very much. The brethren of Coside Lodge, under the leadership of Worshipful Leowel Kailano, thank you for the many volunteer hours and supporting our lodge projects and activities. Thank you for a job well done. To all my brothers from my mother lodge, Francis Drake Lodge 376, under the leadership of Worshipful Jojo Liwanag, our current master, and all the past masters of Francis Drake, thank you for accepting me as your brother and welcoming me 6 years ago when I knocked at your door. To the South San Francisco chapter of Dimole, thank you for being part of this ceremony. To our installing team, Worshipful Alan Nubla, Worshipful Ninar Nicolas, Worshipful Alex Rueda, thank you for this wonderful installation ceremony. 4 years ago, a past master and a member of Cosaid Lodge called me and I asked if I can affiliate and help the lodge because they are in need of officers. I was hesitant at first, not because I didn't want to. I love to help, I love to join, but I have to come up with a good explanation to my wife why I'm coming home late every Thursday, first Thursday of the month. Yeah, you may find it funny, but some of you are guilty of this. Am I right, Worshipful Ninar? Worshipful, and by the way, that past master was Worshipful Ninar. But Worshipful, no words can express how grateful and thankful I am to be your nephew, godson, and brother. You and Vice Mayor Flor became our second parents when we first moved here from Washington, D.C. 6 years ago. Thank you for everything I am grateful that you asked me to be a member of Cosaid Lodge. Thank you. To my cousins, John Lyndon, Ate Julie, Dylan and Ryan, Vincent, Sharon, and Victor, who drove all the way from Roseville, thank you for sharing your time with me today. To my wonderful family, my loving and understanding wife, Michelle, thank you for allowing me to become a Mason and supporting me on all my endeavors and journey in Masonry. Thank you. My children, Matthew, he's not here today. He lives in Washington, D.C. My son, John, who's our photographer, free of charge.
Oh, no.
And Maggie, who inspire me every single day as I strive to become a better husband, a better father, a better son, and a better person to all of you. Lastly, I thank God for this wonderful life and blessing with loving family, friends, and the fraternity that I truly love. To all of you, thank you. May brotherly love, relief, and truth prevails. Thank you.